Rashford, okay, he'll never score an easy goals in terms of where he put it in the back of the net one, but he had to work hard to get there. And like I say, from Smith's point of view, it's disappointing because he needs to come and meet it and make sure that he doesn't give Rashford the opportunity